what are the things that we need to do, or what are the choices that we can lay out to get a client to reach that point where they think to themselves, I need to solve this problem?
Yeah, great question. The question would be, how do I get the prospect on board that this is a problem I need to solve? I think the best way to do that, you can tell a story. You can tell a story about a similar customer that's dealt with similar problems. And really don't hesitate to get into those whys. Why was this a problem? How did it feel? What did it cost them? Money, time, income. How did it affect their personal life? It's easy with the curse of knowledge to be like, of course they understand this. I don't need to enumerate this. But it's important to spend some time on that so your prospect is with you on that. Like I said, it's easy to forget what it's like to have these problems. Another way to do this is through engagement. You can say, anybody ever struggle with this? Ask someone to explain a little bit. I use this a lot in trade shows. Anybody ever deal with X? And then maybe you ask a follow-up question, and maybe you get some nods in the audience. Yeah, me too, right? And if you can get like, isn't it a pain, right? And everybody's nodding, then you are all together and you can journey together to your solution.
Awesome. Awesome. Thank you, Don. Appreciate it.
Awesome.